HaloShift Morning Affirmations 5,000-Word Script. Each new morning is a fresh opportunity, a gift wrapped in light, an invitation to begin again with a clear heart and a powerful mind. As the sun rises, so does the spirit, and with every breath, we are reminded that life itself is a miracle worth embracing. The practice of morning affirmations is not simply about repeating words. It is about reshaping the inner landscape, aligning thoughts with truth, and creating harmony between the body, mind, and soul. The words we speak to ourselves carry energy. They plant seeds within the subconscious, seeds that bloom into actions, habits, and realities. By choosing the right affirmations, we can rewrite limiting beliefs, replace fear with faith, and step boldly into the day with clarity and strength. This is the essence of HaloShift Morning Affirmations, shifting the energy of the soul, activating the halo of divine light within, and moving into alignment with purpose, peace, and power. 55. With every inhale, draw in peace, strength, and clarity. With every exhale, release doubt, fear, and heaviness. Imagine a gentle halo of golden light forming above your head, expanding with each breath. This halo represents the divine presence within you, your connection to something greater, your reminder that you are never alone. As you breathe, allow this light to flow down over your body, wrapping you in warmth and calm. Today is not just another day. It is a sacred chance to walk in light, to embody love, and to step into the fullness of who you were created to be. Every morning is an invitation to choose. You can choose fear, or you can choose faith. You can dwell in the shadows of yesterday, or you can rise into the light of today. The HaloShift is about stepping into your highest self, and part of that is believing in your worth. Too often, we let the world convince us we are not enough, not successful enough, not attractive enough, not smart enough. But today, you affirm differently. Say within, I am enough exactly as I am. I am growing, evolving, and becoming better each day, but even in this moment, I am whole. My value is not determined by external achievements, possessions, or validation from others. My value is inherent, given to me by the Creator, and nothing can take it away. I celebrate who I am, and I honor my unique gifts. My life flows with grace, and everything I need comes to me at the right time. Remember, affirmations are most powerful when repeated. Speak them daily, let them become part of you, and watch how your reality begins to shift. Today is your day. You are powerful. You are loved. You are guided. You are free. Step into this morning with your head high, your heart open, and your halo shining. The HaloShift is here, and it begins with you. Feel how forgiveness softens your heart, how release creates space for peace. Many people wake each day carrying yesterday's pain, but you do not have to. By affirming release, you are creating room for growth. Imagine yourself setting down heavy bags by the side of the road, walking forward lighter, freer, unburdened. Affirm, I walk into this day with clarity. I am calm. I am focused. My mind is sharp. My thoughts are aligned with truth, and my decisions are guided by wisdom. I create peace within myself, and from that peace, I create peace around me. Notice how saying these words shifts your energy. Your shoulders relax, your heart lifts, your spirit feels stronger. When you believe in your worth, you walk differently, you speak differently, you attract differently. Today, let your self-belief radiate like a halo around you, drawing in the right people, the right opportunities, and the right energy. Affirm, I attract love, kindness, and abundance. I am aligned with success. I am a magnet for peace and prosperity. My life flows with grace, and everything I need comes to me at the right time. Each new day arrives as a gift, wrapped in light, waiting for us to open it with gratitude and intention. Morning is not simply the beginning of another routine. It is a sacred threshold, a fresh page in the story of our lives. The way we step into this moment shapes the way the entire day unfolds. HaloShift Morning Affirmations are designed to awaken the light within you, to shift your energy into harmony with peace, strength, and abundance. As you listen to these words, allow them to sink deep into your spirit. Let them become not just sounds you hear, but truths you believe. Affirmations are seeds, and when planted with faith, they grow into confidence, clarity, and freedom. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, awakening your body, and energizing your spirit. Now release it gently, letting go of heaviness, worrying,